गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल फ्रेंड्स इन SSC महेश सर. SSC महेश सर चॅनलला जर तुम्ही आतापर्यंत लाईक केलं नसेल, शेअर केलं नसेल आणि सबस्क्राईब जर केलं नसेल तर ते करायला विसरू नका. आवर्जून शेअर आणि सबस्क्राईब करा आणि नवनवीन जे व्हिडिओज येत आहेत ते मिळवा. तर फ्रेंड्स, काल आपण बघितलं होतं की गिव्हन सिक्वेन्स मीन्स ही AP मध्ये आहे की नाही, आणि जर ती अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन मीन्स AP मध्ये असेल तर तुम्हाला त्याचा कॉमन डिफरन्स फाइंड आउट करायचा होता. नक्कीच तुम्हाला प्रश्न पडला असेल की मी कुठून विचारतोय. प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.1 बद्दल मी बोलतोय. तर आज आपण फाइंड आउट करूया राईट अँड AP whose first term is A and common difference is D. तुम्हाला माहित असेल की A is first term and D is a common difference. मग तुम्हाला ते फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. ऍटलिस्ट तुम्हाला T1, T2, T3, T4 या 4 टर्म्स तुम्हाला फाइंड आउट करायचे आहे, जेणेकरून तुम्ही सिक्वेन्स लिहू शकाल. सो फ्रेंड्स, आता आपण फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल बघूया. A is equals to 10 and D is equals to 5. You all knows A is nothing but T1 or T1 is nothing but A. means T1 हाच A आहे, फर्स्ट टर्म आहे, आणि A हा T1 आहे. सो T1 A is equals to 10. Then how will you calculate T2? Very simple. T2 you calculate from T1 and D. So T2 is equals to T1 plus D. T1 is 10 and D is 5. Then 10 plus 5 is 15. So in this way you got T2, that is second term. Then T3 you calculate from T2. So T2 plus D is equals to, so T2 is now 15. 15 plus 5. 15 plus 5 is 20. Then T4 is T3 plus D. So T3 is 20 and D is 5. So 20 plus 5 is 25. So in this way you got 4 terms: T1, T2, T3, T4. But you have to write the sequence, then collect all. So AP is, or arithmetic progression is equals to, first term is T1, like that, T1, T2, T3, T4. It is the first example, that's why I write like that. So T1 is 10, T2 is 15, T3 is 20 and T4 is 25. So this is your sequence. Okay, got it? Now friends, we are going towards second problem. So here same like previous problem. T1 is A. T1 is A. So it is -3. Always be careful when a number came with minus sign. So now T2. So T2 is T1 plus D. So T1 is -3 plus D is 0. So -3 plus 0 is minus plus minus. -3 plus 0 is again -3. Then T3 is T2 plus D. T2 is -3 plus D is 0. Again minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3. Then T4. T4 is T3 plus D. T3 is minus 3 and D is again 0. So minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3. So now we got 4 terms, T1, T2, T3, T4. Then we have to write AP. AP is minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. Then we are going towards third problem. Here A is minus 7 and D is 1 by 2. Again be careful friends, because minus 7 is there, negative sign is there. So T1 is equals to A is equals to minus 7. Then it is very easy. T2 is equals to T1 plus T. So T1 is, that is A, minus 7 plus is 1 by 2. So now cross multiplication is there, or you have to equivalent 2, means you have to take LCM. So 7 into 2, 14, but it is minus, that's why it is minus 14, plus 1 as it is, whole divided by 2, minus plus minus, 14 minus 1 is again 13, but minus sign is there for bigger number, so you have to give minus sign for 13 and divided by 2. So minus 13 divided by 2 is minus 6.5, means 13 च जर आप तुम्ही हाफ केलं तर 6.5 येतं. नाउ T3. सो T3 तुम्हाला काढायचं आहे. सो T2 प्लस D. सो T2 इज बघा 6.5 घेण्याऐवजी तुम्ही 13/2 घ्या, कारण D मध्ये 1/2 आहे ना, तर एलसीएम हा सारखा येतो 2 सर ते कॅल्क्युलेट करायला खूप इझी जातं. सो T2 minus 13 divided by 2 येतं, प्लस D इज 1/2. आलं 2 डिवाइड मध्ये 2 and 2 आहे आणि एलसीएम सारखं आहे, त्याच्यामुळे minus 13 प्लस 1 डिवायडेड बाय तुम्ही 2 लिहू शकता. याचं किती येणार, मायनस प्लस अगेन मायनस. सो 13 minus 1 इज 12 आणि मोठे 13 ही मोठी संख्या आहे आणि त्याला मायनस साइन आहे, सो तुम्हाला 12 लाही मायनस साइनच द्यावं लागेल, डिवायडेड बाय 2. सो 12 divided by 2 is 6, but minus sign is there, so minus 6. Now last T4. T4 is T3 plus D. Again see, now if you take 12/2 it is okay, if you take minus 6 it is okay, but LCM is 2 and 2 if you write 12/2 and 1/2. So I take 12/6 value of T3 plus 1/2 for D. So minus 12/2 plus 1/2. It is very simple. 2 is in denominator, so LCM is equal. So 12 plus 1. So minus plus minus, 12 minus 1 is minus 11. Because minus plus minus 12 मधून जर 1 तुम्ही काढाल, 12 मधून जर 1 काढला तर 11 राहतो आणि मोठ्या संख्येचं साइन डिवायडेड बाय 2. So 11 divided by 2 is 5.5. Okay, and minus sign is there. So now what is balance? You have to write AP. That is very important. So AP is first for T1 is -7, T2 is -6.5, T3 is -6, and T4 is -5.5. So friends, 3 example we take and we solve that, but you check that, means आपण जे सॉल्व केलेलं आहे ते बरोबर आहे की नाही ते कसं चेक कराल. जे तुमची सिक्वेन्स आली आहे त्याच्यामधला डिफरन्स बघा, जो तुम्हाला दिलेला आहे तो येतो का. आता बघा, या एपी मध्ये डिफरन्स 5 चा आहे. सर तुमची एपी बघा, अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन बघा, 10, 15, 20, 25 आहे का डिफरन्स 5 चा. येस, तिथं 5 चा डिफरन्स आहे, म्हणजे आपली सिक्वेन्स बरोबर आहे. आता इथे डिफरन्स कितीचा आहे, 0 चा आहे. तर इथं बघा -3, -3, -3, -3, डिफरन्स काय आहे, 0, म्हणजे आपला तो पण प्रॉब्लेम बरोबर आहे. इथं 1/2, 1/2 इज नथिंग बट 0.5, अर्धा आपण जो बोलतो. आता या सिक्वेन्स मध्ये बघा, -7, -6.5, 6, 5.5, बघा 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5 चाच डिफरन्स आहे, म्हणजे आपले तीनही प्रॉब्लेम करेक्ट आहेत. So friends, now I am going to a fourth problem of practice set 3.1 sub questions 2. So fourth problem here, A is 1.25, but it is not 1.25, it is -1.25. So be careful while solving minus sign problem. So A, that is T1 is equals to A is equals to -1.25. Then now we have to calculate T2, and you all knows how we calculate T2. So T2 is equals to T1 plus D. So be careful, T1 is -1.25 and D is 3. So plus minus minus. So 3.00 is nothing but 3 minus 1.25. So 10 minus 5 is 5, carry 1. 10 minus 3 is 7, carry 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, but bigger term is 3, bigger number is 3, and it having plus sign, so plus 1.75. So 1.75 you write. Okay, then T3 is, how you calculate, very easy, T2 plus D. So T2 is 1.75 plus D is 3, very simple. 1.75 plus 3 is 4.75, because you have to add in this 1, not in this 5. Okay, then T4 is T3 plus D. T3 is 4.75 plus 3. So 4.75 plus 3, you have to add this 3 in this 4, not in this 7. So 4 plus 3 is 7.75. Here your all terms you got. So AP is minus 1.25, 1.75, 4.75 and 7.75. If you look toward that sequence, here difference is 3, 3, 3. Okay, so now we are going toward next problem, that is fifth problem. So here T1 is equals to A is equals to 6. So be careful because D is having minus sign, minus 3. So T2 is equals to T1 plus D. So T1 is 6 plus D is minus 3. So plus minus minus. So 6 minus 3 is 3. Then T3. T3 is T2 plus D. T2 is 3 plus D is minus 3. So plus minus minus 3 minus 3 is 0. So T4 is T3 plus D. So T3 is 0 plus D is minus 3. So 0 plus minus minus. So 0 minus 3 is minus 3. So you have to write AP, arithmetic progression of given number or given A and B is. First is 6, 3, 0, minus 3. So if you look towards that AP, here difference is minus 3 and minus 3. So now we are going towards last problem of our questions. So here A is minus 90 and D is minus 4. So be careful friends, because here both signs are minus. So first term T1 is equals to A is equals to minus 90. So T2 is equals to T1 plus D. So T1 is here minus 19 plus D is minus 4. So minus 19 as it is, minus plus minus 4. So minus minus plus, 19 plus 4 is 23. Bigger number is 19. Its sign is minus. So you have to give minus. Again T3. T3 is T2 plus D. T2 is minus 23 plus D is minus 4. So minus 23 as it is, plus minus minus 4 as it is. So here both number are minus. So you have to add this number, minus minus plus 23 plus 4, 27. Bigger number is 27. So its sign is minus. Then you have to give it minus sign to 27. Now T4. T4 is T3 plus D. T3 is minus 27 and D is minus 4. So again minus 27 as it is, minus plus minus 4. So minus minus again plus. So 27 plus 4 is 31. Then you have to give bigger number sign to this answer. So bigger number is 27. Its sign is minus. So 31 having minus sign. So in this way you got the last AP of this question. So AP is minus 19 minus 23 minus 27 minus 31. So friends, we are going toward last question of practice set 3.1. So here find the first term and common difference of a given AP. They said that the given sequence is in AP because each of the AP is nothing but given sequence is in AP, then you sure that here common difference is same. So from this sequence you have to find out first term, that is A, and common difference AP. So in this problem, first you write all the terms. Here T1 is equals to 5, T2 is equals to 1, T3 is equals to -3, and T4 is equals to -7. Then you all knows T1 is nothing but A, or A is nothing but T1. So here T1 is equals to A is equals to 5. In this way you got first term. Okay, then you have to calculate D, that is common difference. So common difference is equals to, how you calculate common difference? So नेक्स्ट टर्म मधून प्रीवियस टर्म मायनस करा, मीन्स T2 मधून T1 मायनस करा, T3 मधून T2 मायनस करा, अँड T4 मधून T3 मायनस करा. बघा मी मायनस करतो बघा, T2 मायनस T1, T3 मायनस T2, T4 मायनस T3. हा बघा आता T2 मायनस T1 काय येणार बघा, T2 इज 1 मायनस T1 इज 5. सो प्लस मायनस मायनस 5 मायनस 1 इज 4, बट 5 ही मोठी संख्या आहे आणि तिला मायनस साइन आहे म्हणून ही -4 येणार. आता बघा T3 काय आहे, मायनस साइन. नेहमी लक्ष द्या आणि काळजीपूर्वक सॉल्व्ह करा. जेव्हा कधीही साइन मायनस येतं तेव्हा -3 मायनस T2 इज 1, T2 इज 1, T2 इज 1. So -3 minus 1 is -4. Then T4 is -7 minus of T3 is -3. So -7 minus minus plus 3